So hey guys, we are in Battery Show 2025 at Greater Noida Expo Mart. We are giving the testing equipments and assembly line for BSS and also for E3-wheeler and 2-wheeler. And BSS we have a fully automatic line and also standalone solution that is a semi-automatic line. Come, I will show you the assembly line or demo unit of assembly line. As you can see, this is our 3D model for BSS assembly line. And in this line we have two types of conveyor lines. One is online and another one is offline. In this line, as you can see, this line is controlled by MES software, that is online line. In this line you will test the cell to module, and in offline line you will test the module to pack line, that is pack line. In this machine, by robotic arms we load the cells to OCV tester, that is IR testing machine, and by IR testing we will do the extrusion and stacking of the cells. After this, the module, it will be hardware model will be ready, and we will do the polarity detection. After this, we will do the laser cleaning of the terminals of cells. After cleaning the terminals of the cells, we will do the laser welding, and after this we will do the module UL testing, and in UL testing we will do the current flow temperature and also all these testings. After that, we will transfer the module from module line to pack line. In this, we will install the liquid cooling plate in the container, that is pack container, and after that we will do all the wiring and BMS installation, all these things. After this, the module pack is ready. So after this we will do the testing of the pack, and after testing the pack we will install this pack into container, and we also have the testing machines for container. In this machine you can test the capacity of the container by charging and discharging. It can also measure the temperature also. This is our line, and as you can see, we will give you the full turnkey solution on this, and also give you the layout, installation, all these things, training, installation, all this. Okay, thank you so much.